Any second from now, you're going to hear my oven go off. This is a follow-up to yesterday morning's video. This is the bean dip that I made from hand. Yep, in a minute, you're going to hear my raisin bread pudding going off from the oven. But I just want to show you, you do not need a food processor. As a matter of fact, I misplaced my potato masher. Don't ask. So I took my infamous cup and I wrapped it up with saran wrap on the bottom. And guess what I did? It was a heavy ceramic cup. I mashed down the beans with that. Look how good that looks. I mean, really, seriously. So you can make this easy peasy bean dip anytime you want, even without a food processor. So any second from now, you're going to get to see, hopefully, my bread pudding. I'm just going to peek open the door at the oven. Then I'm going to, of course, yank it out. You're going to hear the bell go off any second. So how's everybody doing? I hope you enjoyed your Derby Day. You know, it just goes to show when one wants to be creative and get the job done, one can do it. I made this bean dip even without a potato masher. Just saying, oops, let's veer over to the oven. Let's see what it looks like. Take a peek. Oh, there you go. Can't keep my camera in there too long. I don't want to roast my camera. But you can do it. We can do it. There you go. Just get creative. Have an amazing day, everybody.